prepare a video for you, so just take a pre. So today I'm showing the girls an action video I shot recently. So after my Weatherman debut went viral. So in a Kingston, it got rain. No. I've been getting a lot of attention. And may I be an idiot if I not take advantage of that, you see me? The network decided to keep me. I'm not quite sure why, but they're gonna have me doing the entertainment segment, not the weather. But me don't want to do that forever. You understand? More in the movies, more in the TV shows and them something there, you see me? Yeah. I want to be like the next Black Panther. Like a real action star. You know that purse isn't your color, right? Go suck your mother. Kiddos! Alright. So what do you think?
Nobody see this. Nobody knows to say that.
My sister just bad mind. I stay bad. What do you think? Charnel, they even have 2 functional brain cells in her head. So I'm really not give a about her opinion for telling the truth. Alright, hold on, ready. Alright, hold on, man. I sweat. We should the makeup girl there. The makeup girl. Yeah, I can't bother with them something here, man. They are sweat now, no one produce show. I don't understand them some here. Yo, show the makeup girl, man. Blood. It's showtime. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Anthony here. Thank you for tuning in. And today you don't know we're gonna talk about what going on in the entertainment, the dancehall scene. You see me? Alright, so first things first. Shensia. Why that girl still make music? Why? Eh? I want beat up our producer, boy. Cause what the f? Alright, so everybody knows me is a die-hearted Gaza fan. You understand what I say? But we have to be honest. Eh? The recent Kartel music, them. I don't f. The They're garbage, they're trash. The way me see them for just keep him in a jail. Understand? Show where the key. No give him no producer, no studio time, no nothing. Cause I'm here cream and release, man. You see me? John no stop. So me just get up out of my bed now, you know. Alright, ready for go up on the road. And then me I look on my phone and me I see all of them hate messages there and them something. Me I wonder what the what me do? All them blood there even get my number.
What are some of the things people are saying about you?
Alright. Anthony Tracey is a talentless, narcissistic, deranged. Why does he even have a platform to spew trash? Okay, well, you Perry for real. Go out your mother with a straw boy and low Gaza business. Your mother should have swallowed you.
Ha! Bro, that was funny.
So hold on there, you mean to tell me say me can't have my own opinion no more? What kind of with that?
Anthony, you're gonna have to issue an apology.
So hold on there, me can't...
You can't play with the Gaza fan base, bro. This
What
could
me apologize
potentially hurt
for?
your career.
Yo, hear me I said, that, I'm not apologize. I mean apologize for, I'm not do nothing. Yo, a joke thing this, man, I tell you. Real joke thing this. It's a free country last time me check, slavery abolished long time, and me entitled to my blood opinion, so all of that. You hear me I say? Yo, bro, what those skits? I don't know the things that are here.
See a man like you know, I think now you're going dog. You can't do something. Yo, my top from leave now go trim me, bro, God. See it? Can't do something artist some of youth.
What?
Foolishness that, yo. One done that, if this one done, bro, God.
Brother,
Yeah, go on with dog.
brother,
See it on the media, man. I can't do them thing, them and you. Them and the thing that normal, you know.
You can't be serious. What me I hear right now?
Yo, General, I can't do it, my artist, bro. Yo, watch it. Let me do something here. Yo, next man come trim now. Yo, a man for no man, come here, man. I'm not
Brother,
tell them,
serious?
man.
Real man, telephone?
Feel that joke thing, man. Yo, ease up the dog. Can
Yo, pan a big man thing, this a real
Like a bad yeah, man. Listen, pineapple, we can make the pineapple juice.
Them pineapple are beautiful.
Tell you.
Juicy, mama.
Hey, mama, how you sell the...
No, him did the pineapple style roll bath last night. Him said, when remember that is to come for the live, him see him one.
But here, see you probably was talking now. Sorry, one.
What you saw?
No, you're not by yourself. Are you there for live start cutting? Go from yourself. I be a Gaza fan this, so I don't want you here.
So, I can't get my hair cut in peace. I can't buy food in a piece. Like, what the
No sell no boy when I like cartel around your store. Don't come back at them place, yeah. Oh, hotter than bright. Bright here, bright stuff.
Yo, them girls are bright no blood.
Come back to me,
last night.
don't come back, yeah, so.
So it's been 3 days now, and I've been getting harassed and, you know, a lot of hate mail and all of that. 3 days. And I can't do this no more. I really can't do it no more. So I just have to put an end to it. Just have to put an end to it. I can't operate like this. So after speaking with my manager on the network, we just decided that, yo, we can't operate like this no more. Well, me can't operate like this no more. So I just have to put a stop to it. Alright, so hey guys, I really just want to come on this and just tell the whole lot of go s*** on the mother. I gotta always speak my mind. I don't give a f*** slave days over. Big up on yourself. Oh, and I think I gotta apologize. I not apologize for what? Apologize for what? Me not change for accommodate a soul. So f*** that. And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.